the beauty of the flowers and the rain. I see you between the lines of a sweet refrain. I'm so blessed, my Lord, I can see you. Even when I'm lonely and in pain, I see you in the beauty of the stars at night. I see you in my life, I feel alright. I see you, Lord, in sorrow and in happiness. I see you in the glory of sweet success. I see you, Lord, every hour, every day. I can see you, Lord, whenever I pray. I'm so blessed, my Lord, I can see you in the smile of a baby, sweet and true. I can see you in the eyes of my very best friends. I see you in these bonds, just like your love that never ends. I see you, Lord, in sorrow and in happiness. I see you in the glory of sweet success. I see you, Lord, every hour, every day. I can see you, Lord, whenever I pray. I see you, Lord, in sorrow and in happiness. I see you with the glory of sweet success. I see you, Lord, every hour, every day. I can see you, Lord, whenever I pray. I pray. I can see you, Lord, whenever I pray. I see you, Lord.
Okay, so good afternoon. Yeah, wait lang ha. Okay, sige po. So this is BSN, okay, 3A, right? Yan, kaninang umaga po, no, we're done na discussing antipsychotics, no, the typical, and then we're done na with the DSS. So I'll be sending you the video po, no, about the antipsychotics po natin. Although, I'll be honest guys ha, the psychopharma kasi, it's not part ng midterms natin. Kaso kasi, na since you're done na with your rotation po, so halos na-cover na din lahat po ng under midterms like MSE, ano pa, yung mga psychobiologic natin, no, yung neurobiologic like the neurotransmitters natin, ano pa, no, yung managing behaviors, 'di ba, how to manage no delusions, no hallucinations, how to manage yung mga combative clients natin. No, so yun talaga yung ano, yun talaga yung bulk po ng midterms po natin. So sa finals guys, no, syempre mataas ang finals, no. Like mahaba-haba ang coverage like the psychopharma, ito na yon, mga meds natin. Tapos i-discuss na natin yung mga disorders po natin. And then expect na lang po na ang coverage din ng finals, ibabalik talaga siya from the very beginning po na topic no, up to the last topic. So medyo demanding yung finals po natin. Okay? Ayan, sige po. So ayan, for this afternoon guys, na I'll be dealing more and I'll be discussing more on the sa ano po natin na sa depressant meds po natin. Now, if you are familiar po na sa mga depressants po natin, now question guys, na if patient po is taking antidepressants, meaning to say po na ang patient po expected na mag-elevate ang kanyang mood, 'di ba? So let's discuss. Ayan, antidepressants po natin. Now, from the word itself, guys, na antidepressants, tataas po ang energy ng client natin, 'di ba? Yung mga moods ng client po natin mag-elevate. So meaning to say, from a depressed client to a more what? To a more letter S, to a more suicidal din na client natin. Kaya nga nakakatakot ang antidepressant. Akala mo mag-ano siya, like tutulong siya sa client, na yes, tutulong siya. However, pwede kasing tulungan niya ang client po, no, yung mga ideation ng client mo, suicidal ideation, baka mangyayari na yan. Kasi enough na ang kanyang energy. Na, but ideally kasi, the antidepressants po, no, this is given, lalo na pag may mga major depressive disorder ang client natin. So this is normally given po to patients having major depression. Depression po natin. So meaning to say, pag major depression ba, ano bang other term nang tinatawag na antidepressants po natin? These are also called as the thymoleptics natin. The thymoleptics ng mga medications. And of course, mga mood elevators po natin. Elevators po. Kaya nga guys, na pag antidepressants ba, kailan ba nag-take effect po no ang mga antidepressants po natin? Anyone from the From this section po? Anyone? Guys, kailan ba nagte-take effect no ang tinatawag na antidepressants po natin? Anyone? Anyone? Ilang weeks po? Ilang weeks, guys? Now, in antidepressants kasi, usually po na the time to work po, na the time to work, usually na it takes about like 2 to 4 weeks, guys, na for noticeable improvement talaga. So 2 to 4 weeks. Na sometimes na para ma-achieve po natin yung tinatawag na full effect po ng antidepressants natin, it will take you mga about 6 to 8 weeks po. Okay? Meaning to say, sir, mag-elevate na ba ang mood ng client natin within 2 to 4 weeks? The answer is yes. However, guys, na the early energy return, I want you to put an asterisk with this one, na the early energy return, this is actually a what? No, a red flag na din sa client. Why? Na this is a red flag po with antidepressants na kasi at risk for suicide na ang patient natin. At risk for suicide. Sir, how will I know na pag at risk na po for suicide na ang patient? Na pag sinabi niya, nurse, I think I am okay now. Okay na ako, nurse. Satisfied na din ako na okay ng energy ko, 'di ba? So tanungin mo agad ang patient. Patient, do you have plans of committing suicide? Ha? Lalo na pag more energy, no more energy before ma-improve ang mood ng client talaga. Now ideally kasi dapat ma-improve ang mood ng client eh. Pero pag energy na din, so at risk na for suicide po. So what are the classifications ba ng antidepressants po natin? Na so number 1, guys, na I'll begin muna with the safest na ang safest talaga na form of antidepressant po is your SSRI, right? Your SSRI po is your selective serotonin. Selective serotonin reuptake inhibitor. Reuptake inhibitor po natin. Guys, what is the other term ulit for reuptake? It's your reuse. Now, if you are going to inhibit, guys, kung pipigilan po natin ang pag-reuse ng serotonin po natin, meaning to say, tataas ang serotonin. Meaning to say na mag-i-improve ang mood ng patient po natin. Now, I have a question. Now, what if po hindi mo mabasa ang tinatawag na serotonin sa mga examinations? Now, what is the other term for serotonin, guys? It is also called as the 5-HT. Now, pag sinabi ko 5-HT, this is the hydroxytryptamine po natin. It's your hydroxy tryptamine po. It's your tryptamine. Wait lang. Ayusin ko lang ha. It's hydroxytryptamine. Hydroxy tryptamine po. This is the other term, ng serotonin po natin, ha? Kaya pag nabasa nyo, it increases daw, the 5-HT. Now, it elevates, 5-HT, or simply your hydroxytryptamine, or the other term, for your Ayan, for your ano po, your serotonin po natin. Ano nga ang purpose ng serotonin, guys? It elevates the mood of the patient, 'di ba? It controls the mood, no, the emotion ng patient po natin. Now, pag sinabi ko po SSRIs, na SSRIs are also called as the first line of treatment. Ayan, this is considered to be the first line of treatment po. That's the SSRI. Ito yung first muna natin ha. The first classification po na will be the SSRI. Ayan, bakit kaya siya first line of treatment, sir? Due to its lesser or fewer side effects po. Ayan, mamaya i-discuss po natin yung mga side effects nila. Na next we have the TCA po natin. Now, the second classification, guys, will be the TCAs. Now, TCAs are considered as the tricyclic or also called as the tricyclic antidepressants po natin, right? It's the tricyclic, antidepressants po natin. Now, if this is the tricyclic antidepressant, this is the second line of treatment po natin. Now, usually po, ano ba ang side effect talaga ng TCAs natin? Now, considered as, no, this is actually toxic, guys, na at pag sinabi kong letter T for toxic po, na it can lead to cardiotoxicity. Toxicity po, ha? That's the TCAs po. Now, aside from that, and then we expect also na pag TCAs kasi, no, mostly sedation po, no, mostly sedation din talaga ang binibigay nito, guys, na and then we have the third one, which is the MAUI. Diba, naalala ba si MAUI? This is the monoamine oxidase inhibitor. The monoamine oxidase inhibitor po natin. Now, alam niyo ba, ang monoamine oxidase inhibitor po, this is actually the last resort. Sir, bakit daw siya tinatawag na last resort? Kasi number one po, no, it has the most side effects kasi. It has the most side effects po. Pero kung tatanungin ka, guys, na what is the most toxic po, it's the cardiotoxicity brought about by the TCAs po natin. Pero pag sinabi po nating most side effects, and then ang dami kasing mga like, 'di ba? Ang daming mga restrictions lalo na sa mga high tyramine rich food po natin. Na na mostly, 'di ba? Kaya nga 'di ba bawal na bawal ang mga tyramine rich food po natin, no, such as mga aged cheese, 'di ba? Ano pa, aside sa aged cheese po natin, yung mga wine po natin, 'di ba? Yung mga preservatives po natin, hotdog, 'di ba? No, kasi pag tyramine rich food po, it can lead to hypertensive crisis. And it can lead to hypertensive crisis, guys. And with hypertensive crisis kasi, it can lead to what? Na encephalopathy. Encephalopathy po natin. So meaning to say, magkakaroon ng what? Ng brain swelling. So pwedeng mamatay ang patient po natin. Okay? So that's for the third natin na third natin na antidepressants po natin. Meron din naman tayo, guys, no, mga tinatawag na the SNRIs po natin. Na serotonin, norepinephrine, 'di ba? Na mga po na reuptake reuptake inhibitors po natin. Serotonin, norepinephrine na sige lang. Na mamaya i-discuss natin CSN, SNRIs po natin. Pero guys, are you familiar ba sa mga SNRIs po natin? And although i-discuss ko yan sila isa-isa po, na isa-isa po natin silang i-discuss. Sige. So I'll focus muna with the general management or the goal kasi of the management of depression. Kasi ang goal talaga, guys, na ng antidepressant natin, that is to manage depression. Na so sige, sulat natin ha. So we have the goals for managing depression. Goals for managing depression po natin. Now, the goals for the managing what? Na depression po natin. The number one goal po, that is to remove signs and symptoms of depression. To remove the sign and symptoms of depression po natin. How will I know? Sir, what are the signs of of depressions po natin? No, hopelessness, 'di ba? If you are hopeless, na Ayan, ano pa sir? Na like 'di ba? Like helplessness also, 'di ba? Worthlessness, na itong mga lessness, okay, pag nabasa mo 'yan, feeling hopeless, no? Ayan, ano pa? Feeling okay worthless, okay also, 'di ba? Also, so hopelessness, helplessness, okay, worthlessness, 'di ba? Ayan, pasok na guys, na and that's your okay the ayan, exact definition of your okay depression po natin. Aside from that, na the goal also of managing depression is to restore ayan the psychosocial okay functioning. That is to okay restore ayan the psycho okay social ayan functioning okay ng client po natin. And then of course guys, na lastly po, this is okay to prevent. Yeah, this is okay to okay prevent ayan the okay recurrence. Ayan the recurrence okay of depression. So pwede ba guys na bumalik po ang mga signs and symptoms of depression? Yes. Na yes na yes, lalo na pag may mga ayan triggering okay factors pa rin tayo na ayan lalo na pag may mga triggering okay factors. Now I'd like to start po okay with the first okay topic known as your okay the SSRI. Now, SSRI muna guys, na ang ayan first topic po natin. Now, pag sinabi ko bang okay, SSRI po natin, safest to eh. No, kasi with the least po no or ayan no halos yeah, yung kanyang side effect kasi it's less lang or fewer ayan side effects po. No, so yeah, to begin with, okay, the SSRI po natin. Ayan, so we have your okay the Prozac or C, ayan Papa. Ayan, PP, ayan, Papa, okay, less cell. Ayan, so it's Papa, okay, less, okay, cell po natin. Ayan, si Papa less cell. Na bakit daw, okay, Papa, okay, less cell po natin. Ayan, ito yan guys, na so we have your letter P, so we have your the Prozac. Na next we have your the Paxil. Ayan, next we have your, ayan, the Luvox po natin, di ba? Or the Lexapro. Na it's your Lexapro. Next, we have the Zoloft. No, we have, okay, Ayan, Zoloft po natin. Ayan, Zoloft. And next, we have your D sa Celexa. Na? So, it's your the Papa. Ayan, Papa, okay, okay, Papa, okay, LZ, okay, cell po natin. Now, if that's your, okay, the Papa, okay, LZ cell, now, sir, if itatanong po sa inyo, guys, pag sinabi po nating lag, okay, period, ito yung time po, okay, na pwedeng mag-take effect na ang tinatawag na or magbibigay na siya ng mga yan kakaiba po ng mga symptoms kay client, symptoms of improvement na like what I've said kanina po na usually 2 to 4 weeks yan na magte-take effect po ang tinatawag na ayan antidepressants po na ayan ano bang effect nito? Sige daw, ano bang effect nito? Since ayan guys, na ini-increase niya kasi okay, ang mood ng client po natin. Ayan, no? We expect na yeah, magkakaroon siya ng insomnia kay patient. That's why na if patient po is having insomnia, best time to take talaga, na kailan ba ang best time to take po pag alam mo naman nagkakaroon ng insomnia? It should be early in the morning. Na early, ayan, in the okay, morning po dapat ibigay ang tinatawag na ayan, Prozac, okay, Paxil, no, Luvox, okay, Lexapro, Zoloft, and then we have your the Celexa. Now, aside from okay, insomnia po, now we expect also na may mga nervousness din to. Na may mga nervousness okay na effect po. Now, para makatulog po ang client ulit, no, ang best time na ibibigay ang tinatawag na ayan no Prozac, okay, Paxil, ayan Celexa, Luvox, okay, Zoloft, 'di ba? Ayan, so best time ulit. Now, best time ulit guys, ayaw naman natin magpalpitate siya na before siya matulog. Kaya pala hindi makakatulog ang patient natin. So again, early in the morning na naman. Okay, early. Ayan, okay, early, okay, in the morning po natin. Now, last but not the least, syempre, no, since, okay, yeah, no, it can also, okay, lead to what, no, sedation. No? Meron din siyang okay, effect po, okay, na, ayan, na sedation, guys, na, kasi sometimes po, di ba, dati kasi, alam niyo na dati-dati pa, na pag-depressed din guys, grabe din yung insomnia ng client natin eh. Na para ma-regulate po ang mood, para ma-okay ang patient natin, dapat, ayan, na dapat makatulog ang client, no, ma-normalize ang kanyang okay, circadian okay, rhythm. That's why, if that okay, causes okay, sedation guys, it should be best time natin, it should be given in the evening po. Sulat natin ang best time dito. And so we have your the best time. And if that causes okay, sedation po, ayan dapat okay on the evening po or in the evening na. Ayan, okay, evening po tayo. Na, so in the evening, okay? Ayan, sige. So, in the morning, early in the morning, ang isa early in the morning na naman. Ito naman po, no, in the evening naman po tayo, okay? Ayan, sige po. Now, if these are, okay, the intended, okay, effect po, then, okay, we have the so-called, okay, side effects. Na imposible guys na walang side effect no ang SSRI po natin. Although it's safe naman, pero we expect for the secondary effect, no? So let's say weight loss. Ayan, na magkukause siya okay ng weight loss. Ano pa? This is photosensitive. Ayan, Ayan, photosensitivity. Guys, we expect also okay for headache, na? And of course, okay, the nervousness po natin. And expect for headache and nervousness. And then expect also for okay, nausea and vomiting. And then last but not the least, I want you to put an asterisk with this one. Ayan, this is okay the ano po, like the antidepressant na magkukos ng sexual dysfunction. Although it's safe na pero letter S also for SSRI. Ayan, sexual, ayan, dysfunction. Ayan, sexual dysfunction. Kaya nga, patients who are taking antidepressants po, medyo hindi po intimate yan okay, sa sex, guys. Na wala masyadong okay, drive yan. Ayan, wala masyadong drive okay, sa sex po. So, yeah, sexual dysfunction. Kaya nga, ang technique ko dito, guys, for NCLEX and for NLE also, when we talk of okay, SSRI, we talk of okay, sexual dysfunction also. Okay? Ayan, so safest siya, yes. Pero meron din siyang okay, sexual. Ayan, sexual okay, dysfunction po. Okay? Now, so done na tayo sa SSRI. Now, my next topic okay, will be the TCAs po natin. Wait lang. Discuss natin si TCA. Now, sabi ko nga, okay, TCA, ayan, toxic, yes. Why? It can lead to cardiotoxicity. Okay? Cardiotoxicity. Okay? Now, pag sinabi ko ba kay TCAs, now, ano bang mnemonic natin dito? It's your tricyclic okay, antidepressants, guys. Now, ang technique ko dito, natandaan mo na lang to, VP mo, okay, si ate. 'Di ba? Ayan, VP mo, okay, si ate. Ayan, so sino kayang ate yan? No? VP mo, si ate Sara ba? 'Di ba? Or VP mo okay si Ate, okay Lenny, 'di ba? Ayan, so VP mo okay si Ate, ayan Sara or Ate Lenny. Okay? Sulat natin. So V, ayan P, ayan we have your the C and then we have your okay D, ayan Ate, ayan pababa. So it's your ayan the Ate po. Na so we have ayan VP mo okay si Ate. Letter V stands for Vivactil. Guys, ngayon pa lang ha, i-memorize niyo na ang ano po, ang psychopharma natin. Next, we have your the Pamelor. Next, we have your the Sinequan. Sinequan. Ano pa? Letter A stands for Anafranil. Anafranil. Guys, alam niyo ba, Anafranil po, okay, is the drug of choice no, in treating okay, OCD. Na in treating okay, OCD or obsessive compulsive disorder, it's Anafranil. Na next we have your okay, the Tofra. Ayan, Tofranil po natin. Alam niyo ba ang Tofranil, okay, create to okay, during 1950s and considered as an old okay, drug po. Guys, ito may isa dito okay, na okay, cardiotoxic at ito yon si Elavil. Ha? Ayan, kaya nga minimension ko always guys no, Elavil, this is the most okay cardiotoxic okay medication. Okay? The most okay cardiotoxic medication guys, meaning it's bad for the heart. Na Anafranil is good for OCD, 'di ba? And pag oldest naman po okay na TCA, you answer ayan Tofranil. Okay? Now sir, ulitin ko ha. Kaya nga sinabi na okay cardiotoxic na with its okay drug known as the Elavil. Si Elavil talaga guys na ayan sige so ayan we're done na okay with okay the types or the drugs po natin example. Now let's talk about okay TCA. Now sir, what's the lag period? Kailan ba usually magte-take effect to? Usually, okay, 2 to 4 weeks. Kaya nga pag nag-increase ang energy ng isang tao, no, within 2 to 4 weeks or after 2 to 4 weeks, then suicidal siya. Okay? Now, ano ba ang best time po okay, ng okay, TCAs po natin? Pag sinabi kong TCA guys, na ang best time talaga natin is during tulog. 'Di ba? Ayan, meaning to say, no, ayan, sa evening po, na best time po natin, okay, evening dapat siya okay, ibibigay. Now sir, ano bang expected okay, na mga side effect na to? Given ha, Ayan, given, okay, ayan, in the evening po dapat siya. So, pag sinabi kong side effect, no, so, walang ibang sagot. Number one, okay, we have your weight gain. Aside from weight gain, guys, ayan, ito din, cardiotoxic din siya. So, cardio, okay, toxicity. So, you always check, di ba, the heart rate, okay, of the patient po natin. Pwede rin siyang mag-cause, okay, ng ataxia, di ba? Pwede rin siyang mag-cause, okay, ng eye pain and nightmares. Ayan, so we have your eye pain, ano pa? Pwede rin okay mag-lead to okay nightmares na. Ayan, we have your orthostatic, ayan, ortho okay static. Ayan, hypo. Ayan, hypo okay tension po natin. And pwede rin siyang okay mag-cause okay ng sexual and sexual okay dysfunction, guys. Pwede rin siya mag-cause ng sexual dysfunction. Okay? Ayan, sige po. That's for okay the TCA. Pero sikat kasi ang TCA for cardiotoxicity. No, and sikat po ng SSRI okay for sexual and sexual dysfunction. Ha? Ayan, sige po. So let's okay talk about okay Maui. Ito na. Ayan, si Maui, 'di ba? Maui, 'di ba? Ayan, sir, ano bang technique natin okay sa Maui? Ayan, kunin niyo na lang yung technique ko, guys. Ang technique ko dito, it's the pamamana. Pamamana, 'di ba? Ayan, bakit daw okay pamamana? Pamamana, it's parnate, marplan, manirix, nardil. Okay? Ayan, it's pamamana. Parnate, marplan, manirix, nardil. Parnate, marplan, manirix, nardil. Kayo daw. Ayan, wag na kayong mag-unmute, guys. Na kayo daw. Go. Parnate, marplan, manirix, nardil. Right? It's parnate, marplan, manirix, nardil. Parnate, marplan, manirix, nardil. Okay? Ayan. Ito namang, okay, sila ano, no, sila, okay, TCAs po natin, VP mo si ate. 'Di ba? It's VP mo, okay, si ate. So pag VP, okay mo si ate, ayan, Vivactil, Pamelor, okay, Sinequan, Anafranil, Tofranil, ayan, Elavil po natin. Now, to discuss, okay, Maui, guys. I love discussing Maui kasi ang daming bawal sa kanya. Na, ayan. And then, kailan daw binibigay ito? Guys, kung kanina po, TCA, pagtulog or in the evening, na, ito namang, okay, si Maui po, syempre, letter M, morning. 'Di ba? Morning, 'di ba? Ayan, so morning, okay? Now, sir, bakit kaya okay morning? So let's talk about okay the lag period na aside from lag period po, okay, best time. Ayan, given okay sa okay morning po dapat. Next, we have your okay the ayan side effects po natin. Now, with your okay ano kasi lag period, guys, the same pa rin. Within 2 to 4 weeks dapat na magti-take effect ang tinatawag na antidepressants natin. Pero 6 to 8 weeks po dapat pag full effect na talaga. Given, okay, in the okay, morning po, ayan, morning dapat. Ayan, ano ba ang mga side okay, effects po nito, guys? Now, side effects kasi natin, okay, it can lead to insomnia kasi. Ayan, so we expect okay for insomnia na and then okay we expect okay also okay for ayan no, yung tinatawag na okay the hypertensive crisis po natin lalo na guys na if taken okay with okay tyramine. Now, if present po ang tyramine then expect okay for hypertensive crisis. Ayan Ayan, hypertensive okay, crisis natin. Now, sir, ano ba yung mga okay, effects po okay, ng hypertensive crisis? Number one, if client po is having hypertensive crisis, then we expect for severe nausea okay, and vomiting. Aside from severe nausea and vomiting, we expect for, occipital headache. Guys, occipital, ayan, headache po natin. Ano pa, sir? We expect, okay, for severe, okay, sweating po natin. Na? Ano pa? No, we expect, okay, for sore neck, okay, or stiff neck. Ayan, magko-complain yan ng sore neck. Ayan, or magko-complain din yan, okay, ng stiff neck po. Okay? Now, sir, pag sinabi ko bang, okay, tyramine, okay, rich food, then that leads to hypertensive crisis. Ay, kaya pala, sir, na ang daming bawal na pag nasa psychiatric nursing. Pero guys, hindi po lahat nagtitake ng Maui. Majority po nagtitake ng SSRI. Kasi pag nagtake yan ng Maui, usually po, ang daming mga bawal talaga. Pero, since tayo kasi, na like 'di ba sa San Pedro na highly discouraged talaga guys na ang may cheese, 'di ba? Kaya nga yung iba magrereklamo, "Unsa man ni uy, spaghetti tas walay cheese, way lami." Hala. Sobrang honest naman ng client, 'di ba? Sobrang honest ni client. And then ito pa, no? Yung mga ano natin, yung mga shake, ayoko talaga guys na nagbibigay kayo ng extra sugar kasi masyadong matamis na. And pag tumatamis kasi ang pagkain po, nagiging manic. 'Di ba ang patient natin? Okay, so let's discuss. Ayan, what are the examples? Okay, for your tyramine. Ayan, tyramine, okay, rich, okay, food po natin. Now, for the tyramine rich food guys, na it's your the A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Ayan. So bakit daw? Okay, A, B, C, D, okay, E, F, G po. Now, first things, okay, first na, syempre we have, ayan, the aged, okay, cheese po natin. Ayan. So we have here the aged, okay, cheese. Ano pa? We have your avocado. 'Di ba? Ayan, kaya nga if patient po is taking okay Maui, bawal ang aged cheese, na bawal ang avocado, 'di ba? Ano pa? Bawal okay ang mga bananas, lalo na pag overly okay ripe, okay bananas po natin, na the overly okay ripe okay banana. Na the overly ripe banana. Pero kung hindi naman masyado okay sobraan na ripe, no, okay lang, 'di ba? Next we have your the caffeine. Ayan, yung coffee bawal din, 'di ba? Ano pa, yung mga dry, okay, fermented, okay, food po natin, na so bawal din. Letter E guys, na yung mga embutido, bawal yan kay patient, 'di ba? Yung mga tapa, meaning to say these are okay highly, ayan no, yung mataas ang mga preservatives po, okay kay client natin or let's say sa pagkain. Na so we have your letter F, yung mga fermented, ayan, food natin, bawal din sa kanila. Such as, okay, number one, we have alcohol. Next, we have your, the wine po natin. The wine. Ano pa? We have your the Yakult. Ayan, bawal din kasi mga fermented yan. Bawal din po ang yogurt. Pero sir, tanungin ko kayo, pwede ba ang ang cream cheese? The answer is yes. Ha? Wait lang. Meron sa inyo hindi po naka-mute. Ayan, Miss Johnson. Sino pa? Okay, sige po. Napa-mute na lang guys ha. Okay, so we have here the fermented okay, food po natin. Aside sa fermented food, okay, another okay, letter F, okay, is your what? Anyone? Anyone? Bawal din to sa client natin guys. And that's your letter F. Pizza. 'Di ba? Ano pa? Papaya, 'di ba? Basta letter F guys. Na so, bawal ang pizza, na bawal ang papaya, ano pa? Bawal din okay ang pickles, no? And lastly, bawal ang fifino. Okay? Ayan, so bawal ang pizza, papaya, pickles, and then we have your the okay fifino po natin. Okay? Ayan, sige guys. Na ayan, so okay, yeah, na done na tayo okay dito okay sa ayan, sa Maui po natin. Okay? Ayan, so, ayan, since done na kayo na tayo, okay, sa Maui po natin. Now, next, okay, na topic, okay, natin po, okay, will be, ayan, no, the ayan, manic, okay, medications natin. Questions? Questions? May tanong ba, okay, sa antidepressants natin? Wala na, no? Yeah, let's have your, okay, the ayan, okay, manic, okay, medication. Guys, pag sinabi kong anti-manic po, aka known as your the mood stabilizer. Kaya pag sinabi po natin, if you want to stabilize the mood, bakit? 'Di ba? Kasi alam niyo ba, this is indicated for mania. This is okay, indicated for mania. Meaning to say sa mga bipolar na patient, okay, manic type. Ha? Ayan, bipolar, okay, na patient, okay, manic type. So ulitin ko. Pag sinabi po natin, okay, MMM, anti-MMM, MMM, it's your the mood stabilizer. Intended for MMM, intended for, okay, manic. Ayan, patient po natin. Now, sir, pag sinabi ko po, okay, anti-manic guys, na ano ba ang lag period na to? Kailan ba nagtitake effect po no, ang tinatawag na anti-manic natin? Usually guys, 7 to 10 days. Ha? 7 to 10 days po ang lag period okay, ng tinatawag na mood stabilizer po natin, okay, anti-manic. Kaya nga if patient po is taking no, yung mga lithium natin, most likely bipolar ang patient, manic type. Okay? Now, sir, ano ba yung mga example okay, ng meds po natin? Now, for the medication, guys, my mnemonic is the mnemonic is tere. 'Di ba? Si steady ka lang dyan, manic patient. Na bakit daw, okay, steady. Ayan, pwedeng hindi siya gagalaw or baka sexually transmitted disease yan, 'di ba? Steady. Na, so pag sinabi ko pong, okay, steady, so we have here the S and that's your, the escalif. Okay? Escalif, lift, and that's your, okay, lithium. Okay? Alam niyo ba, okay, Escalif, okay, with its brand name, okay, yeah. So we have the lithium po natin, guys. Ayan, na lithium is the brand name po natin, ha. Ayan, so yeah, this is the drug of choice, okay, for mania. This has been, okay, the drug of choice, okay, for mania. Next, we have your the Tegretol. Okay, Tegretol. Wait lang. Ayusin natin. Ayan, so we have, okay, Tegretol. Guys, Tegretol, okay, with its, okay, generic name, it's your the carbamazepine. Okay, mazepine, na Tegretol. Alam niyo ba itong Tegretol, this is tama, na for pregnant, okay, na manic. Na this is tama, guys, for manic, okay, pregnant, ayan, patient po. For manic pregnant, so tama yan. Na ito ang bawal, guys. Si valproic na your Depakin, 'di ba? It's the Depa. Ayan, Depakin po natin. Okay, or the ayan, valproic na it's your the ayan, valproic, okay, acid natin. Guys, itong valproic, okay, acid po natin. Ayan, alam niyo ba this is, okay, letter V, vowel sa buntis. Ayan, or let's say vowel. Ayan, para hindi mo na siya makalimutan. Vowel, okay, sa buntis. Why? It can lead to neural tube, okay, defect. Ha? NTD is your the neural, ayan, neural tube, okay, defect po natin. Now, pag sinabi ko pong, okay, neural tube defect, di ba? So we have the spina bifida, okay, the spina bifida occulta, na the spina bifida, okay, cystica po natin. Okay? Ayan, that's your, okay, the ano. So ulitin ko lang. Sir, sino dito ang tama sa buntis? It's the T, Tegretol, carbamazepine. 'Di ba? Pwede sa buntis. Ano ang vowel sa buntis? It's the valproic, okay, Depakin. Okay? Now, matanong ko lang, sir. Matanong ko lang. Speaking of, okay, lithium po natin. Ayan, lithium, ha, lithium. What is, okay, the therapeutic dose for lithium? Ayan, therapeutic, okay, dose. And what is, okay, the therapeutic, okay, level po, okay, ng lithium natin? Guys, pag dose po, it should be 300 to 600, okay, milligrams. Ayan, thrice a day dapat yan. Now, ano ba ang, ano po, ang therapeutic level nito? Now, for the therapeutic, okay, level po, so we have the old answer, and then we have the new answer. Now, pag old, guys, it's 0.5, okay, to 1.5. 0.5, okay, to 1.5 or 1.6. Na 0.5, okay, to 1.6 nga yan dati. 0.5 to 1.5 or 0.5 to 1.6. No? That's old. Okay, max, okay, per liter. However po, sa latest, guys, sa newest, okay, na ano na guideline, ayan, the latest dose should be 0.6, okay, to 1 point, ayan, 1.2. Ayan, max, okay, ayan, per liter po natin, ha. So, ang isasagot po natin, it should always be, okay, the latest one, no, or the newest dapat po. Ayan, o, di ba? Ayan, 20% na lang pala, okay, ang pen. Okay? Ayan, sige po. Now, sir, tanungin ko lang. Now, pag sinabi po natin kasi, okay, lithium, guys, ano nga ang relationship po, okay, ng lithium, okay, and sodium? Sige daw. Ano ang relationship, okay, ng lithium, okay, and sodium? They are inversely proportional. Okay, the relationship, okay, between, okay, lithium, ayan, and sodium po natin, they are, okay, inversely proportional po. And so pag sinabi ko, okay, inversely, ayan, okay, proportional po, pag tataas, okay, ang lithium, guys, what happens sa sodium mo? Bababa. 'Di ba? Bababa. So, baliktarin mo ulit. Pag tataas, okay, ang sodium, meaning to say, bababa, okay, ayan, ang lithium po, okay, ayan, sa katawan po natin. Okay po? Ayan, 'di ba ideally kasi, guys, na ano bang expected po na normal, okay, sodium, okay, sa katawan natin per day? Ideally dapat 2 to 3 grams ka lang na of sodium po na without condiments, 'di ba? So without condiments, na meaning to say without patis, without toyo. Ideally ha, that's the normal okay concentration po dapat. Naalala pa yung 135 to 145, 'di ba, na sodium? Na that's equivalent to ayan 2 to 3 grams okay, of sodium dapat. Without condiments, na without toyo, without patis. Tayo pa naman mahilig tayo sa patis, 'di ba? Sa mga sa mga condiments po natin, 'di ba? Ayan, Diyos ko, no, nagpatis ka na nga, nagtoyo ka pati, 'di ba? Tapos binudburan mo pa ng mga magic sarap na mas worse na. Now, with your okay lithium and sodium, that's why dapat guys na if you are taking okay anti-manic medication, dapat hindi masyado maalat ang pagkain. Dapat normal lang dapat ang sodium level para normal lang din ang lithium. No? Kasi possible po na magkakaroon okay ng tinatawag na ayan ng lithium okay toxicity po natin. Okay? Now sir, ano ba yung okay lithium okay toxicity po natin? The DVD okay MC na ayan ulitin ko ha. So we have here the lithium ayan okay toxicity known as your okay the DVD okay MC. Ayan, bakit daw okay DVD ayan MC? Guys, pag sinabi ko, okay, letter D, expect na, wait lang, bakit nag-diarrhea agad ang patient natin? Nasobraan na yan sa lithium, guys. Next, bakit nag-vomiting na ang patient mo? Bakit, okay, diaphoresis na kay patient or heavy sweating, di ba? Bakit parang ang patient natin ay may muscle, ayan, weakness na po. And then, bakit ang patient natin, guys, okay, may coarse, ayan, tremors na ang patient natin, na bakit nagte-tremors na yan? So we have the course, ayan, tremors. So once again, okay, these are, ayan, signs, okay, of, okay, what? Ng mga lithium, okay, toxicity. Okay po? Ayan, these are signs, okay, of, okay, lithium toxicity. Now, matanong ko lang, if may lithium, okay, toxicity po, okay, ang patient po natin, guys, ayan, plain and simple, na you need to, ayan, give, okay, the medications, ayan, for, ayan, lithium, okay, toxicity. So ito yung management natin, 'di ba? Ayan, as part kasi ng management mo, you monitor okay the sodium level, 'di ba? Aside from monitoring okay the sodium level, you can give your okay natin, the meds po natin. Ano yung mnemonic sa meds natin? The mnemonic DAMU. 'Di ba? 'Di ba? Ayan, the DAMU. Nangongo ako bigla, no? DAMU, 'di ba? Nima. Ayan, so letter D stands for the Diamox. And this facilitates kasi lithium excretion eh. Ano pa? Letter A, aminophylline. Okay, so we have aminophylline. Now, aside from aminophylline, okay, we have the mannitol. 'Di ba? The mannitol po natin. Aside okay from your mannitol, okay, we have the urea. 'Di ba? So we have okay mannitol and then we have ayan the okay urea po natin. Okay? So we have mannitol and then we have okay ayan urea. Kulang ng N okay ang mannitol, guys. So we have okay ayan mannitol. Ayan, we have the Diamox na and then we have okay ayan urea po natin. Okay? Ayan, sige. So yun po. No, guys, ito lang ha. No, ano bang expected po na lithium okay side effect pala? Ito baka itanong lang din to sa inyo. Ano po ang mga expected okay na lithium okay side effect din? These are normals and expected po na pag nag-lithium ka, alam niyo ba increase ang urination mo? Ayan, increase urination. Aside sa increased urination, magkaka-acne din ang patient natin. Na? And then, ito pa. Alam niyo ba, okay, itong lithium po natin, meron siyang metallic. So we have this, okay, metallic taste. Kung wala ang metallic taste, you answer the salty, okay, taste po. Na? So may metallic taste siya, okay, ayan, salty, okay, taste din po. Okay, ayan, ang client po natin. Or let's say, ang meds niya, no, while taking, ayan, okay, lithium po natin. Okay? Ayan, sige. Questions? Questions? None? Ayan, sige po. Now, right after kasi, okay, discussing, okay, anti-manic po. Let's discuss, okay, ayan, anxiolytics na po natin. Ito, discuss natin, guys. The okay, anxiety meds natin. Ayan, anxiety, okay, medication. Ayan, or definitely, okay, these are the ayan, okay, lytics po natin. Ayan, or kung ang antipsychotics natin are major tranquilizers, ito naman, They are called as the what? The minor tranquilizers. Ayan, minor. Ayan, minor, okay, ayan, tranquilizers po natin. Ha, ulitin ko lang. Anxiolytics, okay, minor, okay, tranquilizers po natin. Ha, ayan, so we have okay, the benzo. Ayan, benzo, okay, diazepine also, or also called, okay, as the benzo. Ayan, benzo, okay, ayan, benzodiazepines po natin. Ayan, benzo, okay, diazepines. Now, sir, when we talk of okay, anxiolytics kasi natin guys, na ano pa ba okay, ang other purpose okay, ng anxiolytics po natin? Alam nyo ba ang anxiety po natin or anxiolytics po natin, we have okay, other purposes na other ayan, purposes po natin, di ba? Ayan, my mnemonic for this one is the mnemonic Paris or the Paris, di ba? Ayan. So ito yung other functions guys na hindi lamang kasi siya like 'di ba minor tranquilizer, yung mga anxiolytics natin. Alam niyo ba ginagamit din ang mga anxiolytics po natin as a pre-operative drug, na pre-operative or na pre-op med. Pre-op okay meds natin. So we have the pre-op ayan medications po natin. Especially the diazepam volume. Lalo na tong diazepam na diazepam, okay, yung volume po natin, 'di ba? Ayan, pwede rin siyang okay, gamitin po yung mga anti-anxiety natin for alcohol withdrawal. Na other purpose niya is for ayan, alcohol, ayan, withdrawal, ayan, syndrome. Ano ba ang ginagamit natin na anxiolytic dito, sir? Walang ibang sagot, it's the Librium. 'Di ba? Librium ang ginagamit diyan, guys na as an anxiolytic of choice. Next, na pwede rin siyang okay, pang-restraint po, 'di ba? Ayan, pang-restraint din. This is a form of a chemical. Ayan, restraint po natin. Ano ba ang drug na ginagamit natin na as a chemical restraint? Ito na-mention ko na, diazepam. 'Di ba? It's the diazepam na ginagamit nating pang-restraint po na diazepam okay, or your Valium na. Next, ayan, if ever guys, if patient natin is having insomnia, binibigyan niya ng anxiolytics po by the name of okay, diazepam na naman. Valium. Ayan, diazepam. May tablet okay form naman to The diazepam okay Valium natin. And then, okay, if ever naman po kung nagsi-seizure ang patient natin guys, ang drug of choice natin dito is of course the Ativan. The brand name is Ativan, okay? It's the lorazepam. So we have the lorazepam. Kaya nga sir, if patient po is on seizure precaution, 'di ba, prepare na yan ni nurse and that's the lorazepam po natin or ayan, Ativan the Ativan okay po natin ayan, sige. So with your okay mga natin guys, mga anxiolytics po natin. Ayan, so ano ba mga expected okay side effects nito pero kasi guys, how will I know ba na anxiolytics to? Ito yung mga tinatawag na okay, Zepam and then Zolam, 'di ba? Zolam tapos mga okay, Zepam. Ano yung mga example ng Zolam and then okay, Zepam? So for Zolam, we have your Triazolam. Ano pa sir? We have your Midazolam, 'di ba? Ayan, Zolam. Next, we have your Alprazolam, 'di ba? So we have your Zolam, Triazolam, Midazolam, and then we have your Alprazolam. Next naman po, we have your Zepam. Like for instance, we have your Diazepam, 'di ba? Diazepam is the most common po. Ano pa? We have your lorazepam. Now we have lorazepam. Ano pa? We have your clonazepam, 'di ba? Clonazepam. And then we have the old po. For older patients guys, if may old patient ka, usually ang naano po nila kasi may fewer and lesser side effect kasi yan. It's your oxazepam. NCLEX question yan If may old patient tayo, then mas maganda po para hindi masyado ganun ang side effects niya, then you can give oxazepam. Kaya nga technique na yan oxazepam, these are okay best po na anxiolytics natin guys, lalo na pag old, okay, ang patient natin. Now, sir, let's talk about, okay, side effect natin. Yan lang. Guys, kasi, di ba, pag mga anxiolytics for anti-anxiety natin, na, ayan, it can lead to what? Na adverse effect, ano na to ha? Adverse and side effect na to, guys. So, it can lead to respiratory depression, na, delikado to. Ano pa? Altered LOC or altered lock, 'di ba? And then mas delikado din to, the dependency. 'Di ba? The dependency po natin. That's why if common po ang respiratory depression, then priority mo 'yan. Na act fast, think fast. Now, pag altered LOC, meaning to say it's a CNS okay downer pala. So it causes CNS okay depression. Ito respy okay depression, no? Guys, nagbaba na. Okay, ang mga RR mo, 'di ba, ang breathing mo. Ito din, okay, CNS depression. And then, okay, it can lead to okay dependency. Meaning to say may addicting, okay, effect po, no? Addicting okay drug po ito, guys. No, ang tinatawag na diazepam or ayan, yung mga Valium natin, any po na na mga anxiolytics natin, either minor tranquilizer pa, na yung mga benzodiazepines po natin, guys, 'di ba? Ayan. So, yun po. Kaya nga, di ba, sa NCLEX po natin, guys, or let's say sa PNLE, this was asked po, let's say may nakita ka daw na nurse, tapos gumagamit siya, guys, na ng Valium or diazepam, tinetake niya yan, tas, or let's say, no, nag-IM ba siya, na tapos nasa CR siya, ano daw ang tawag sa kanya? Ang tawag sa nurse na yan, she's actually an impaired nurse. Ang tawag daw impaired nurse. Do not say addict nurse, but rather an impaired nurse. Kasi 'di ba pag impaired ka, ayan, hindi mo na okay mapaperform, you can perform anymore. You might be able okay to perform na yung mga basic task on what is expected of you also. Ayan, so yun, wala na, wala na. So ang tawag sa iyo impaired, okay, nurse. Ha? Ayan, lalo na sa mga gumagamit po. Okay, yung mga gumagamit ng mga bawal na gamot, 'di ba? Impaired nurse ang tawag sa iyo while on duty. Okay? Ayan, let's talk about okay the nursing, okay intervention natin. President, wait lang. Please do the screenshot po. Ayan, I'm going to also. Yeah, pa-screenshot President. Ayan, I'm going to lock also okay the meeting. Ayan, this is the first natin ha, pa-on ng cameras po nila. Yeah, this will serve as the second quiz also. Ayan, if nakita kayo guys na sa camera, then perfect na kayo sa second quiz. Get ready also okay for the third. Ayan, ng third attendance natin. Kasi para, ayan, perfect na ang quizzes nyo guys na for midterms natin. Okay? Now, sir, if you are taking kasi na okay, or anxiolytics natin, anti-anxiety natin guys, na then number one, okay, we need to monitor, okay, the RR of the patient. Now, what's the normal RR? It's 12 to 20 or 13, okay, to 21. Or 13 to 21 cycles per minute po. And then, aside from that, may avoid ka ba? Yes. You need to avoid, guys, no activities, okay? Avoid activities such as avoid driving. Kasi sedative kasi to na baka nag-drive ka tapos papunta na pala kay Jesus Christ, 'di ba? Or papunta na sa Allah, 'di ba? Ayan, next we have your avoid also swimming, 'di ba? Ayan, kasi baka saan ka napupulutin Wala sa tiyan na ng shark na or let's say sa sa Pacific Ocean, 'di ba? Ayan, Diyos ko Lord, na or let's say palutang-lutang ka na lang at bloated ka. And then bawal din po ang operating machineries. Pag sinabi kong operating machineries, bawal ka if ever kung nag-work ka sa factory, then bawal kang mag-work ha lalo na pag naka anxiolytics tayo. Kasi groggy ka dito, guys, na malamang groggy ka talaga. Meaning, parang sabog ka talaga. Hindi siya parang, sabog ka talaga. Na, so we have, eto, last na to, na, guys, you need to decrease, gradually before stopping it. Na, decrease, gradually lang dapat. Na, decrease, gradually, before, stopping it. Na alam niyo ba in answering po mga psychiatric na mga meds natin, antidepressant meds, guys, before ka naman siguro din na mag-lower ng dose, check mo muna ang doctor's order, 'di ba? Sino ka ba naman para mag-adjust ng dose? ni doktor nga, ni ang psychiatrist nga hindi nagsuggest na na-lower mo okay ang dose mo. Ha? Ayan, kaya nga okay bawal, okay na bawal, okay mag-decrease okay ng dose lalo na pag wala naman po okay sa order okay ng physician po natin. Okay? So decrease okay gradually okay before okay stopping it. Pero dapat guys na it should always be okay as ordered po dapat. Okay? Ayan, as ordered po. Questions? Questions? Well, I guess okay, that's okay the last okay topic na po na sa psycho okay pharma. Ayan, medications po natin. See? Simplified na siya, guys, 'di ba? Sa sobrang okay haba po okay ng ng slides na 'yon, sinimplify na po natin sa pinaka okay simple